What's up, guys? It's your girl, Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting. And yes, we're doing another Jane Sassaman quilt appreciation, quilt celebration. This one is called Radiance. I got a chance to see it in Texas. I believe it won a second or third place ribbon. This is a very, very, very cool quilt. I've been able to see her working on her quilts on her Instagram. So if you guys don't follow her, please follow her on her Instagram because she will take you through the quilt. And being able to see it in person was such a treat. This is really, really vibrant and bright. And so let's just go ahead and get into it. Let's do it right now. Now here we're looking at a Jane Sassaman quilt. And she says this is an abstract quilt that was inspired by botanical forms and celebrates the magical mysteries of Mother Nature. You guys know that I am a huge fan of Jane Sassaman. If you can see right there, she uses the built-in stitches to do her embellishing, and she quilts by going around the shapes, and it's just amazing. Oh, don't apologize. We can enjoy it together. No, I'm always walking around filming the things. No worries. Enjoy your quilt show. Oh, she's one of my favorite artists. She has several in this show.
Love the color.
Me too. So we are just gonna enjoy this quilt a bit. One of the things that I'm really enjoying about this particular quilt is the repeat in the shapes. Let's see if I can show you guys. Right here, you see this shape is here, but it's also repeated over there. There's not a ton of different stitches. She's really made a very, very thoughtful decision to repeat and wear. So if you look right here, we have it here, then we have that same shape elongated here and here. We have it elongated there, and then there's a little bit more right here. Look through here. I like this. It's not like she grabbed every single shape that her machine can do. She was very, very thoughtful about the placement of this. And I am very intrigued by that. You know, you feel like there's a whole bunch going on, and there's a lot because this is very robust in color. It's bright. And I was like, why do I feel like it's so bright? And I think it's because of this yellow here and this yellow here. But it really tickles me how this shape is really all that she's done. I mean, she's done this like firecracker shape around these flowers here and around this shape. And then we've got a little bit of a zigzag here, which I like. I like that she'll just plop that zigzag in the background. You'll see that repeated in a lot of her quilts. But it's just a repeat here. All right, let's go. Let's go. I know that I rewound it a little bit, but we can just all enjoy this quilt together some more. So we are just gonna enjoy this quilt a bit. Applique. If you like this quilt and you want to see more about the techniques, I have tried to find every bit of information that I can, and I tried to do a similar style, and I'm really pleased with the results. I just didn't use the proper interfacing, and this one here is just giving me more inspiration to try it again. So for sure, another Jane Sassaman inspired quilt is coming. All right, guys, so that is Radiance by Jane Sassaman. It is beautiful. It is exuberant. It is just a happy kind of quilt with tons of shapes and tons of color. Let me know what I missed. Let me know what you guys saw. Let me know why you guys love this quilt. Let's love on her. Let's appreciate her. Let's celebrate her. You guys know what to do in the comment section. I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.